A wide range of research has assessed the nature of how regular meditation affects your brain. One of the most common techniques has been to look at how patterns of electrical activity change in the brain during meditation. The electroencephalograph, EEG, which involves placing electrodes on the scalp, makes it possible to record and analyze the tiny amounts of electrical activity produced by neurons in the brain. The EEG has very good temporal resolution, but relatively poor spatial resolution, that is. It determines when the brain is active, but can't tell where the activity is in much detail. To see spatial patterns in the brain more clearly, a technique that has been used to explore how your brain activity changes when you meditate is functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI. fMRI can record the amount of blood flow to different regions of the brain when an area becomes more active. It uses up oxygen and fuel and creates waste products. Blood vessels in that brain region dilate to enable more blood flow to deliver more resources and carry away waste products. By looking at the circulation patterns, we can see what areas of the brain become more active. Several studies have found that during meditation, the amygdala and other subcortical regions associated with emotional processing become more active. Several studies have found that when people engage in meditation, they report higher levels of everyday happiness. Those who meditate also report fewer problems with regulating their own emotions.